Here's a trade I just finished, an easy 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio with a massive profit. How did I know this chart was about to go up exactly from here? Very simple, I used the Fibonacci Retracement tool. In this video, I'll break down why Fibonacci Retracement works, the exact settings that give you the most accurate entries and take profit levels, and how to use it like a pro, so you can trade with confidence every time. Plus, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step strategy you can follow every single day, no matter if you're trading crypto, forex, or commodities. And all of this comes together in what I call the only Fibonacci retracement guide you'll ever need. Before we dive into how to use the Fibonacci retracement, it's important to understand why it actually works. Markets aren't just random chaos, they're driven by human behavior. When a price starts moving in one direction, say it's going up, it rarely does so in a straight line. Instead, the price pulls back or retraces as traders take profits or hesitate before the next push. Fibonacci levels come into play because they represent key psychological points where traders, both big institutions and retail players, expect the price to pause, reverse, or continue. So, when price approaches these levels, you often see increased buying or selling pressure, making them powerful areas for entries and exits. Now, let me show you how to set up your Fibonacci tool on TradingView. Open any chart you want. On the left-hand toolbar, select the Fib Retracement tool. Click on your starting point, drag to your ending point, and click again. Now, double-click the tool or open its settings from the menu. Add these specific levels and delete the rest. Make sure to check the reverse box. The other settings are optional, but I recommend them to make your Fib tool cleaner and easier to use. You can pause the video or take a screenshot right now to copy these exact settings. To use the Fib tool the right way, the very first thing you need is a trend. Forget about using it in sideways or choppy price action. So, how do you spot a trend? An uptrend is simply when price makes higher highs and higher lows. A downtrend is when price makes lower highs and lower lows. Here's a real example. Price is printing higher highs and higher lows, so clearly, we're in an uptrend. Now remember what we talked about earlier. Price rarely moves in a straight line. It surges in one direction. That's called the impulse move. Then it pulls back. That's your retracement. This is where the Fibonacci tool shines. In an uptrend, you draw the fib from the start of the impulse move to the end of the impulse move. Then you wait for price to retrace to one of the key Fibonacci levels. In this example, price retraced to the 0.382 level. Since the trend is up, we go long right here. Stop loss just below the zero line, the start of our impulse move, and our take profit at the 1.272 extension. That gives us a clean 2-hour trade. Now let's flip it. In a downtrend, draw the fib from the start of the impulse move down to the end of it. When price retraces to 0.382, we enter a short, stop above the zero line, and target the 1.272 level. Again, perfect entry, perfect exit. Now, let me share a super practical 3-step strategy you can use almost every single day. Step 1. Identify the start of a trend. This could be a breakout from a consolidation phase or a clear shift in direction. Getting in early reduces the chance of being stopped out. Here's a real example. Price flips from a downtrend into an uptrend as soon as it breaks this high. Step 2. Wait for the first impulse and mark the fair value gap. A fair value gap is just a price imbalance created by aggressive buying or selling. Easiest way to spot it? Look at 3 candles. If the middle candle leaves empty space, no wick filling the gap, that's your fair value gap. Now, after the new trend starts, let price make its first impulse move. Once it pulls back, look for a fair value gap inside that impulse move. Step 3. Draw your Fibonacci. Now, take your fib from the beginning to the end of that impulse move. You're looking for one of the fib retracement levels, like 0.382, 0.5, or 0.618, that lines up with your fair value gap. That's your entry. In this example, we enter long at that overlap. Stop loss goes below the zero line, take profit at 1.272 extension. And here's a bonus tip. If the trend looks really strong or you're catching it early, you can push for the 1.618 or 2.272 extension as your take profit. That's where you catch the really big moves. Let's take a look at another example. Here, price just broke through a key resistance level. So we assume this could be the start of a new uptrend. Once price completes its first impulse move, we spot the fair value gaps inside that move. Then we draw our fib tool, wait for the retracement, and enter long. In this case, our take profit target is the 2.272 extension, and that gives us a clean 1 to 4 risk to reward trade with massive profit. Simple, powerful, and repeatable. By the way, if you're a crypto trader, I've dropped my Blowfin link in the description. That's the exchange I personally use, and they're offering some great bonuses for crypto traders right now. Check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.